The cleaning gel for car is a versatile and effective car cleaning kit designed for universal detailing of automotive dust and dirt. It is specifically designed to clean hard-to-reach areas in your car, such as car crevices, air vents, and other interior surfaces. Additionally, it can be used to clean various other electronic devices like keyboards, PCs, laptops, and cameras. The cleaning gel is formulated to be soft and malleable, allowing it to easily conform to the shape of different surfaces, effectively picking up dirt, dust, and debris from tight spaces. It is a non-sticky and non-toxic material that leaves no residue after use, making it safe and convenient for cleaning various items. The gel is especially useful for cleaning car vents, where dust and dirt tend to accumulate, as well as the intricate spaces between keys on keyboards, and hard-to-reach areas on electronic devices like PCs, laptops, and cameras. Overall, the cleaning gel for car is a practical and handy tool for car owners and tech enthusiasts, making it easier to maintain a clean and dust-free interior for both their vehicles and electronic devices. Please remember to like and subscribe.